So you really are defending Port Jed?
Which pork jet?
You see him uncle where you are defending.
You can't afford the man thing you can't do.
Yeah, idiot boy. Yeah, idiot boy. Yeah, idiot boy. Yeah, idiot boy. Oi,
right
you can't hear nothing about me. You can't touch me neither. You can't touch. You can't style me.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Made it strong, but nobody never see me pain. Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. Know me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care, no. Too late for fear, no. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Every day me fight for survive. No smile pon face, me dying inside. Pressure build and me start slip. My mind get dark. Me did a call, but nobody here. Me did a fall, but nobody care. Now when me gone, them shedding tears, but me alone face all me fears. When me fall, nobody there around. Know me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care now. Too late for hear now. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Cold nights, lonely street, nowhere to go. Empty belly, but me still hold strong. Voices in my head, reality fade. People pass and them laugh and stare. Call me mad, them never care. If one can just reach out for me, baby, me
No, but I don't think you understand what serious be are when a man want a woman when things when we don't do. You feel say me would have left you down your song, say me gonna town, gonna look people. You feel say me don't do that? A woman like you, think about it now. It's about time you give me a chance, man, and make things roll a certain way.
Listen to me, I'm not business about him, I'm gonna town. I'm not business about him.
Okay.
Me heard it about that good still. Yo, yes, when him wanna look me, that the man they doing all in there, me had 24/7. Me not run out of nothing. You see, as he get to him, I told that guy. So, you see, for a relationship, I don't do anything to get a woman. I mean, I depend on that. Because I don't talk about me, give me world, my heart at the same time. As soon as I get to want to dance. So, guess what? I depend on certain things.
What do you mean, depend on certain? Listen to me. Yes, when a man want a woman and need a woman, like how me need you. They laugh, I think I joke business. And I joke business, you know, long me watch, you know. I when they dance and I'm up and down and I'm doing a little thing and me have bun me little split and I ease myself and I watch and I say, boy, if me ever get one chance with this a girl here,
One chance.
I one chance, me no want to. I want life for you. You think you have a spare life in the back pocket? No. One life for live.
So let me ask you a question. You don't have a woman?
No. I'm saying no, I say no. Like
you don't have a woman?
Listen to me. Having a woman is different from having a girl who can comfort you and make you feel good certain time. You understand me? I say, a different vibes that. But me right now, I tell you straight and plain, if me get the right, vibe, I go straight all out.
You go straight
all out? Done the money upon you. Them the kind of vibes there. Me don't drink rum. I tell you, straight and plain.
Well, it talking can't go now.
No, that's why I don't want to talk. I could do something. Later on, I can even, buy a drink. No drink. 5 1 drink. Buy some fruit juice. Keep back on easy. What you say?
Yeah, forgive me some time.
Some time?
Yeah. I still a try. I don't want to jump in and too bad. But
what
you think about it?
I don't have time. I'm scared.
You pull out too much talk and that's the man.
I call you here.
How long am I wait for you?
See,
I've been coming there to me, boy. A girl up and nice.
That me realize that.
Clear Lucy, na.
It's on hot though.
And that's a problem. Come here, man. It's like you take this thing for joke thing. You see car empty, our front seat empty. And you gone in a back seat like our chauffeur.
No, I
Chauffeur, you
don't
take me for.
me want nobody to see me.
Nobody
Funny car, watch out now, remember say, me just a forward back, you know. Everybody here in a car nowadays, you know. I don't want nobody to pre the thing, you know.
Let me tell you this, sir. You see, the place you come back in, the place change. All the thing is the same, it's just, you know, peace and quiet. Smell that fresh air. So you know, so you have to go face Kiki and all though.
Kiki.
You have to go face her. Yo, that girl still in her place, I wait for you, you know.
For me?
Yeah, that must. Let me tell you this, you see from your left, from your so. In the chat to a soul. Yo, between me and you still know. Rasta, 5 like a. But I want to give that time idea.
No, then we hear
You think a joke?
Never say a joke here, brother.
Never a joke. But let me tell you this, yeah. Watch your approach her, cause mama hear boy go on a tone. Yeah, man. Mama hear say you find no they are locked down. Right now.
No, I never that me go a tone. I never that me go a tone for.
Right now.
I never that me go a tone.
Right now, she if my pre me I take me I say I'm my cousin and me I pick up for him. I say I'm my cousin and my brother, so I can't pick up for my brother. And I say, oh, so now brother I say tone the brain function. Me I say no. Function how?
At that moment, no, we brain function. Because the first thing, me never go listen up, me never go a town for that. And me see a one girl catty back that side, nah, right? And
me hear say woman mash up your head up there. Me hear say you walk. Me hear say all of the day you walk, you lock down with woman. And that me hear.
Yeah, hear wrong, cause yeah, hear wrong. But I don't really that me I try to tell you.
What you
I try to tell you, say, what you know? I go a town for your work. One of my boss, them I used to work with up the beach, link me. And tell me say he have a work for me back town side. I go a town. Now get me wrong, me see one catty. But what you know, the catty I move like
brain box mash up. Oh, me here say sitting cap.
Bro, that's what watch out. Let me talk. Me I tell her say yo, it's like me I deal with the girl certain way, but me realize the girl like try to use in head palm like she try grow me.
Girl, me here say girl program
you hear that.
Me here say brain mash up.
Brother.
Try.
Brother.
What you say? What you say?
Brother.
Woman a try. Me here say woman control the brain. Me here say head mash up.
Let me ask you one question. Me look mad to you.
Well, you want to line up first.
Yeah, bro, me tell you say nothing not going for me back that side. Me forward back down, nothing not going.
Me here say every morning you walk and woman
like
you carry
idiot. No, you stop going like an idiot, no brother, and listen to me for once. Man, me idiot.
No.
Me idiot. Me grow up better than that, man. My father and my mother grow up better. You and my brother, you know, like say you know much sense like that.
Tell me nothing.
Brother, just normal, no.
But I right. You're supposed to talk to me, but I'm sure.
Yeah, I understand that, bro. But yeah, I'm listening to hear say bad man and I can use it for me. You know I think set cause. Not bother the foolishness.
Remember
man.
Say all last week, me I call the phone brother, and I get in.
Yeah, call my phone all last week. Me I walk you all last week, bad man. Stop behave like you're idiot. You tell me about me lockdown with girls. So we that's one question. Me go a Bombay town. Figure look, woman, you're idiot.
Oh, I got to
you
see look where me out to lose it town. And you me I look one girl out there for. Cause me say, oh, me no want no blouse and skirt. Third grade got my brother brain.
Yeah, this is a girl. Yeah, this is a man. Watch out, make me a chat.
My brother.
Listen me.
Listen
me. Stop being so.
Right, you make them a laugh off me.
No, you make them a laugh off of you, because you listen what people say. So you have to, that's why they say no, only a fool can listen what a fool say and believe with you.
A fool you call me.
No, then why you be then, bro?
A real fool you call me.
No, but me I tell you say you're nothing about yourself.
Alright, yeah man, I me got tone and girl control my brain. I'm a fool man, and I'm all pray. You know what? Right now, me done talk. Me not nothing more to say to you. Come on.
You're forward, man.
Oi.
Hello. Come here now. Come here.
Where are they?
Come here.
Where you do me at the last?
Okay, no last. I'm not say they home for last. Come here, man. No, I don't like your style, because if you know, say, as I reach out you first, I think about to come look for, and then I go say my last.
Why, Bob, what you do here, so? You don't need for the year, so what you do here, so?
You must come look for.
Look for me if you want.
You don't miss me.
You lick your head?
Kind of lick head you talk about big. Nobody the foolishness, man. Come here now.
Me don't need, this is fine. What you have to say? Come,
Give me a hug. Yeah, go on.
Don't, if you ever come close to me, don't play with me, don't come close to me.
That's the really move with me. In real life.
So, what you expect me to do?
Go on, somebody explain myself before I left. Me tell
What me look like to you? Overnight food, you know, you put on and come back for the next morning? And that you take me for?
No, I never take it for that. I never mention that. I'm not suggesting none time. No come to mind none time. I just know say stop this. So that I don't like with you.
Keep your distance, bro. I don't need you near me. If you talk, don't come close to me.
I can't move so with me.
So wait till the ex one come and be like, oh my God, you're back. Bro, right now, just by seeing you, just make everything stir up back in me. Me there try to build up back myself and here you are. Like seriously? Me no need for you to see your brother.
Me a try too.
Try do what? Try do what exactly? Tell me, what you try do?
Me try be a better man
you got tone, you don't find nobody up there.
Yeah, tell me about fine. No you worry about what me find for. You may always have in my heart.
You think me not here?
What you hear say? What you hear say?
You don't need for hear.
Same thing me hear my brother said to me, and I say, I hear things like what you don't understand.
As guarding to you, you got to go work. And look at you, the same old. Me not see no difference. Where difference?
So me can't move with me.
Where difference? Tell me why difference.
Why you move with me?
Let me ask you one question. Why you come on me yard for?
No for see her, me tell her some more see her.
You see mark on this? See mark on this? It's either you go back down at your brother or you go back at town, but I don't want to see you. I don't.
So you move with me for real, like
me move on.
No, yeah, you move on, but what I can do for make you up to if you believe in me just once
make
again.
Up. I wait this for.
No.
Make up what? Yeah, you not build nothing, make up what?
Alright, normal pre man. So you say we can start fresh then. Hi, my name is
Oh God.
So make you behave, so why you laugh off of me?
Start afresh. You remember when you just meet me? You remember? That same expression. You remember? You can't fool me again. You fool me once and you're not going to fool me twice.
Kind of fool. Stop chat about fool. Because I fool and money come and say first thing. But first, as I reach, you first come to mind. Before me even reach, me they turn day and night I think about you. I might not have your number here because what day my phone get mashed up certain way. And things that some couldn't even reach out to you.
Even if you don't have my number, you know my number like the back of your head.
Yeah, but me don't have a phone. Me don't have a phone. Me go call upon.
You can't borrow.
So wait, they want me use people phone call you and normally tell me say me not use people phone call. What you tell me say?
Stop give me excuse. You give me too
much
much
tell
excuse.
Me about me. No, I shoot.
Listen, you.
Alright, what me can do for make you up to you?
First of all, you come out with the bag. Where you come to stay?
No, me never say me come to stay. Me say me come to look for you. And you me come look for.
Alright, just see me now. Go.
So me can't move with me.
I said go. I don't want to see you. Please go.
So me can't move with me.
I said go. I don't. You want to understand? Go. I don't want. You know what? Me not this. Have a good day here. Come back like you.
Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but I am hurting too. Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memories.
Oh man.
Yeah. I wish the rain wash it all away.
I'm sorry.
I wish the rain.
So, me just say simple something to you yesterday on roads. Go on face look. Yeah, listen. Hold on, boy. What? Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause you know where you go. You know, I get no cheese with that. So, where are you, sir?
Yeah, man, I made that, no.
You see, mama, that's sure. You see, mama. You see, Kiki, that's sure.
Go for a yard at time then for sure. That's why I didn't want to tell you nothing, you know, dog. Yeah, I'm say.
Bro! No, man, no! So hold on. What you see I go on? Let's see I go on. Your face look no. I'm a China laugh. Me nah laugh. Talk to me, brother. You know say me there for you, bro. You know what I'm
Good man, my good man.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to her.
No, sir.
Man, her friend like that, you know.
So everything good, man. Huh?
I do what she thinks, eh. Me I even take up for you.
Brother, that's
But
not man, no bad man. You know, is a bring up some things right now when unnecessary bad man, and then that's normal, dog. That's
you know, right now, you know, let me take up my bun. You know, move right. You know, move right at blouse and skirt. You take this thing, talk to me. We are brother, we are blood. You see it? You're there so stressed out. Watch out. Remember, say if you're a fool, me a fool too, you know. And me a try if you make sure say me a no fool. So, it look like for you try to do, you know, try make sure say me look like an idiot. Bro, we can't water down with thing in our road. You just fall back in our place. Second of all, you need to figure, bro. That look for me, too, man. You knock him in the head about your Tina.
you not gonna understand, bro. You just
I'm not gonna understand.
You not gonna understand.
Oh,
you
let me tell you something.
anything you want to
Let me tell
say.
you something. You see me, no girl can't lick my brain. Yo, this friendly though. You need to talk to me, bro. You need to talk to me. You need to talk.
Dad, you ever do something
Yeah,
we don't know what you really do, but all the way you not do, bro, cause one bag of effect on your life what you think you do or what you should do. Certain way, bro.
To be real with you, I know say I got you right now not easy, bro. Legit. I know say not easy. But I ain't idea just life. Bro.
Try everything just
My bungs back my house and this and that, bro. And I know say I got bungs back, you know. But I ain't idea, bro. You just have to do what you have to do. If you feel like say share one, no give up. You see it? Keep it persistent, man. I tell you this, I fear in my brother.
You know that, brother, but
Let me tell you this,
brother, bro, I can't even understand how you even get what me I try to explain to yourself.
No.
Me I try,
You feel me not get it, but I know something get it.
Remember say me not reach certain part in our life yet when I achieve certain things.
Yeah, good, bro.
I know that, but what you know? I didn't know say mama that pray me just because it left me left certain way. Mama make me feel like I'm never there try. I'm not explain to her so maybe I go up and work certain.
But right, you dry your part. You should talk to her, brother.
I will lock it damn door, man.
Me a come.
I will trouble you. I will rob you. Eh?
Who for rob me?
I know you don't like somebody rob you or something.
Girl.
What keep me come back for?
If I guess that just happened a while ago. You remember Bolby?
Yeah, your first and last love. Of course, we have to remember Bolby.
Which first and last love you talk about?
Bolby.
Yes, I'm a first love, but there's no last there. Both first and last love. Can you imagine? Right now, I wonder if I dream me a dream to backside. Me have to really wonder. You can imagine it show up on my yard. Hello, baby. Tell me now.
And so wrong if you come and say hello, baby. What's wrong with that? No, your man. Me no
Which
know if you no left.
But you're not listen to me. You expect a man to go leave you and come back like nothing happened? Yeah, me understand say we never left. But to me, we do. Yeah, my sister, why do you feel like you're not on my side?
No, don't say I'm not on your side, no, but things happen. Suppose there is some emergency and if phone mash up and he could get in contact with you or something. You don't know what happens. Suppose, alright, what if he get a call and he rush out? Be time if he come here, the person call back and say, hey, you have to come, no. And he could do nothing more than left and he never had a credit.
What if you know, I said, excuse him, give me. Same phone mash up.
See? Same thing. And if phone mash up for you, why man go like,
yeah, listen
man
to
love
yourself.
you? Why me would do that listen to myself? Pass me key. Me not have time for waste. I waste of time right now. Just give me my key when I go with me and go.
What?
Come here, tell her what could happen. So we feel like say man just gone left you, gone doing one business. So
you want a key, right?
More me
Me
key.
in a conversation.
Go my key.
Yeah, my sister. Why?
Why what? Kiki, you have to understand say things happen. This is real life.
All right.
Everybody make mistake. Things can happen.
You the why your man go left you?
If he go left me and then he come back with that explanation, that's okay. But if he don't have no explanation something wrong there, so you're gonna next woman here there. So if you come back with the same phone, me know say something definitely wrong right there, so.
A woman like no man can
But-
damage.
Oh, me? No, me not yamed. Me have sense. Go for me key, come give me
Me
my
go for your key, cause I be a fool in the short term.
No, cause you're idiot. You don't want a man. You don't want no love. You just
Take this
feel
one,
like
take
say
this
you
one,
feel do
take-
what
take-
you
take this
want
one,
do.
take this one.
And where you want. Oh, make me key wet up, sir. I want to throw upon it.
You're sorry, Annette. You know what? Me not even gonna answer you. Go on by your business. In the hurry, you know.
Mama tell us something before me go.
No, but I come with the lecturing right now. you
No,
know.
I'm not coming to lecturing now. It's just something I'm saying. You see me now? That's why I'm gonna deal with relationship. I'm gonna deal with love, you know. Cause guess what? Me feel like say nowadays, man, them forget use. Then you know a little gentleman shoes them with the painted mouth. Yeah, me feel like say you have to use them until bottom rub off like how bottom of them shoes they rub off. Because man no make sense nowadays. But your choice, but be one good man. You know. But your choice if you want like a bulb and making go on, you know. But me feel like say what happened are true. But if you want to take that the mistake there break up with him and go your separate ways and find somebody. My grandmother always say no, jump with a friend pan and jump in a fire, you know. You have to know where you want to.
Nobody knows what I have been through since gone. Nobody knows
Then
that.
what you been through? What you been through?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about
No.
it. Then if you don't want to talk about it, how we gonna help you through the situation?
When I love take situation rubbing on people's face, brother. I'm gonna depend that.
Nobody not rub nothing on your face. If you did go through something, talk about what you go through. Tell the man where you go through then.
Did you know that I have a miscarriage?
That's
Did you know that?
Business, me never breed you.
And you call yourself.
Me
I'm
never
done.
breed you.
Go on.
I mean, this is not
Family.
gonna make miscarriage.
Go, you're in a hurry. Go. I'm tired I
You
will
tired and
along.
bread. What me if you do? Sorry for
Go.
you. I'm for the ball for you.
I'm sorry. Yo.
Girl. Girl, thief me take away your girl easy. One touch, now she says she need me. Relationship mash up completely.
Rasta man.
Go on, general.
You can see I'm poking that girl. Brother, don't come with a stuff. Yo, I can have pork story at that, brother.
Oh, my big girl, man.
Yo, brother, come with a pork story, brother. You know what thing already, bro. Eh?
I know see a chicken alone.
So we can't talk about pork,
Rasta,
brother.
I know see a chicken alone. I just a joke. Ciao. Yeah, breast so much, brother.
Yo, what tell this?
Yo, forward, man.
Yo.
Board up chicken. What you have?
I'm sure of it. Yo.
We can't look a joke.
And no matter that, brother, but every time you forward that place, you talk about pork.
Rasta, you know see a family style that me a joke.
The food so ready, brother, just give it some time.
Line up the chicken, man. Cause alright now, different. Me not like how you pan a smoke, you know.
Chicken raised, you know, that me gonna tell
Me not
you.
like how you pan a smoke. That me a tell you, cause you know, me no name burn up chicken.
Yeah, me know that, but me I tell you, say,
Differently. Brother forward in, you know. So we line up some food for me and my brother.
your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright. Or it said, but I must say full raise. See?
For the
The
race.
full raise. So I went 1,000 for a quarter, now 15 bills for a quarter. Yeah, that.
Your teeth, no
And no
blouse
matter-
and skirt.
Let me say thief. And the thief, brother.
How fall for race from 1,000 go 15?
I 4
Not even 1,000. 1,000.
Brother, I 450 for 1 pound of fall down so. You understand me? I say, so you think I feel raise, bro? See this, I'm so forward. I don't know your chicken bun.
You just get bun up on it. Let me not pay that. I hate this guy right now.
I can't read your mind, girl, but I know what I am to you. I'm your sex symbol. Follow the next signal, sexy girl. This I know
Free now, big man. There, man. Can I see your sister?
Me no really understand, man.
Cha.
I want
I know, say, one little thing go down certain way between me and her and thing, and I know, me don't know why cause it, you know, like, cause I explained before me left down here a certain way. Tell her, say, me I go do one look hustling back on the town side, and one of my old boss then call me and thing and tell me, say, yo, he want me come do some work with him and stuff, so. And you know, say, it's like, me tell her, me explain to her and tell her, say, yo, watch you know. Me I go pa one work on something and thing, and during the time then my phone get mash up certain way, so me couldn't get to her and thing. And it come like say all of that now cause one big piece of thing right now, and me I try get to her to talk to her certain way and she not take no talking from me, you know what go on. Like somebody a tell her things or something. I know me not understand why she a move so with me. One time she never used to be so with me, and now she a move like me and her a stranger, like you know. Like we are enemy for a long time. All me I try to tell her say, yo, just let me explain, she not take no explanation from me and so.
You want to explain?
No, I know she want to explain. Me want to explain myself to her, but she not take no explanation from me. If you understand.
So you never try like use somebody's phone and call her and stuff?
Yeah, me do that.
Listen to me. I said you want to say, but you want to come in a phone a love story, you know. Because when time it want to deal good, we not deal with nobody but each other, you know. And always cuss off people for each other. But then again, you didn't know say she lose one baby.
Lose baby? No, at first news to me in a real life. Like when this happened?
I don't know, you know. But I know when I time she did a sick and then after that in the panic period for much weeks. So I know say I lose it. Ain't tell me himself too. But me didn't know say something did happen. You understand?
So why she never tell me all of this? She just make me a wonder when me do her a certain way.
So right now she in her mood. Alright. Right now she a go through a lot. All me can say just give her space, give her a little time. She will come back around. Because for somebody lose one baby, you know, easy, you know. The more mentally breakdown.
She never tell me all of this. They make me a pre say one day if a man she find certain way I want bag of something.
Kiki now you do that. I don't know that.
So how you know that I know man she have?
Yeah, me say no. You don't have no man. Nobody think they really. Me try and talk to her when I see her. If she take no talking. So that worry yourself. What for be go be, you know. If you not for be, just not for be. Simple.
Cha. You know what to do to it.
You kinda make me feel get cold.
Alright,
So.
but you know, me nah disturb her no longer, man. Me walk girl now, so.
Yeah,
Just
man.
if you see her, tell her somebody check for her, or she be just tell her some check for her.
You like me to watch somebody grab me for you. Pinky! Hello? Pinky!
Oi!
Oh.
Oi!
What going?
There, ma'am.
Me there. You know, say application I can't drop off cause to tell the truth, I can't bother with the hustling on the road and then look at the more 195 I know say. You know it's more better for me than for the hustle cause I know hustle sometimes all weeks and I get nothing, you know. When you have a 9 to 5, your money sure. You know say you go get it.
You know, long me I tell you about the work thing. Where you are going, that is the right thing you're doing, my friend. The right thing you do. But one thing I can make you know, say. You see, walking at this sun hot here, with that rum there, you need to stop it. You will drop down.
Yeah, you gotta take the application or you not take the application.
You will take the application, but me I tell you, say.
Yeah, man, you don't have to tell me about my rum. Don't worry about me
No,
and
listen
my
to
rum.
me. I know say me I worry about the rum, you know. I know say me I worry about the rum, you know. But you need to left your rum drinking,
You not tell me what to do. Listen to me. Yeah.
Back in the days, me nah say me never used to love party. Me used to love party. Harder than how you love here now. But I see the word thing come first. You know what I'm to say, what you know? Right now, nursing that fit you. And me have the links for nursing. So you see when me see you come in and you drop off this, you know, it melt my heart and my heart feel nice. You say, all right, my friend want to get a work, you know, in her life and you want to, you know. But the partying thing, me I tell me not tell you again, you know, fit you. You know, fit you I know.
You don't talk?
So you imitate me?
No man, I show you say. A long time I tell me say I get a work, so now me come, me can't do everything one time. Me have to do it one day at a time, one step at a time. You see me make one move. Yeah man, say me glad for that. No time me no me drop them one by one. Me drop party next and then me drop a room and then so me drop them look by look. Me can't drop everything one time. You understand? Alright then, have a wonderful day. Thanks for your encouragement and everything. Everything alright, yeah?
You know, say I'm grateful.
You know, sir?
You know, say if you check your ratio, you're ungrateful.
Oh, me ungrateful.
Because imagine me I talk to you about the right thing. And you cut me. You push me off. How you call it, Sally?
Then that's why I say thanks. If me never say thanks, then I could have said me ungrateful. But I said thanks, no favor. You're lucky. If you not drop out for your business.
Oh, this yeah.
Go on.
Boy, I disappear from me to bomb borders. I expect to see her. So you may look fine.
You don't say up something say me I want to go while I go my boy.
Burn boss still look like he mash up though, man.
Me?
No, must you. Brother. I forgot just leg of that girl, brother.
Yeah. I can't understand, man.
You almost say me I eat that, you know.
No, sir.
Me hear you, man. You almost say me I eat that. If you say me I eat that. I can't then sit there, dog. Remember saying that me used to take on the road, you know. Right now, me there in the road. I be a thing me here at all. First, they say me alone on the road and they know say in that place. They must say, chip lick up because Rasta take away your girl.
Jaja, which Rasta that?
Which Rasta that?
No, not real life.
You
No.
ever know what it say?
No.
This is what I go on, man. Look what I go on. Remember, you know? Yeah, me always know what to say. I always like send mama down to go buy a fowl. You ever know this everything you send her down there chicken duffer?
I chew, you know, and every time she go down there, she always bring back the same money she go down there, you know. But me there in the meds, you know.
Eh, from them
What
the
time
time.
you say Rasta fowl?
Rasta fowl, they call it. What pork jet that there? Yo! Let me tell you this, yeah. All one day we pull up on them.
Say a pork jet. No, it's shocking, bro.
I don't know. What different? What I say? Me I say, bro.
Real life.
Yeah, man.
Me don't trust the Rasta boy for a long
Whether you
time,
trust
you
him
know.
or not.
I mean, I like him for a long time,
Me
you
say
know.
whether you like him or not.
Me know me I go
And
do.
that in I treat at all.
Me know me I
So
go
right
do.
now you make them a laugh off of me.
Laugh off
Me
of
go up
you.
to her there, they will say, come in. Hey, come here, how you idiot, brother? I say, me dark. Right now, how much up a place down, so,
Jaja,
bro?
really that I go on. I really that the Rasta man there. Remember before me left all the place and say, you know, Mama used to always talk about safe protection, safe sex. More I bust me bust all the condom more and forget all look feel peace like glory, like feeling glory certain way, you know. And then me forward back now. And one bag of something. Me and you our deal no. And not too long ago, me see her sister. And her sister tell me say she already carry miscarriage.
Miscarriage. Ah, Jackie, then you want to give. All lucky things you left out of the place, my brother, because you're there at town. Clown. Wow, you get a suit there.
So then something they really are going on, I don't know then something
You
there.
go see her raise one little rasta. I say, come here, little pork, you know, that's the other call. If you want to see me, I say, I'm not sure, know. I'm glad you left out of the place and found it. Bro, don't make this shake you, my brother. Let me tell you this, right now, I take on the road last night. I'm just sorry I never meet you. Because watch me, I feel the yasso. I feel the yasso. Because I see two nice, perfect sit me. I say, yo, I feel it type this, yeah. Slim enough. But yeah. When you even take on the road, bro, right now,
man.
it shake me. Say, this shake you. Because,
No,
watch out.
Ahmed's me there,
If you
Ahmed's
down,
and I
me
say,
down.
really Rasta. Fear boy Rasta. Poor Jet, as what you say. They don't have to fear boy.
Yeah, because my was a chicken up there one day when you reach. Oh, the chicken is bad, the chicken is bad. Chicken is bad.
No,
You
that's
can't tell like chicken is bad.
no.
Anyway.
You eat it, me nah eat it.
You know eat it? What you mean?
Who?
Oh, let me tell you, sir. Now play the rest of there now. You know they say always cheap on the shelf. You have a pork season there. We more do pork season if you don't do pork. You know the chicken tastes like a pork.
No, me say me never eat it.
I bodies chicken. Bodies chicken. And then I tell me say not do pork. What you know eat it? You see you boy. I make blouse and skirt woman that stress your brain. We are brother. Woman no stress, we are money. Stress we money we want money plenty. What I'm tell you. We are man, we think mad. What you are gonna do? You can't come a country and make girl mash up your brain. And they told me here say girl mash up your brain. You see what I say?
Brother, you are your delusional mind. I listen what people have to say a road.
Yo,
brother. You're
me a topless people.
Yeah, man, cause watch now.
Me say me a topless people.
Yeah, man, cause you're a farmer fool of yourself right now, bro.
Me care, bro.
No,
me care too much.
No, you listen what people chat. You can't care with people.
Oh, yeah. Yes, when I go on road, I'm here then say, if they even say my brother slippers dirty, my brain chip out.
So,
then if you chat bad about
so where I try say, you slippers dirty now, you go bro, dirty slippers now.
I joke, man. I joke.
Yo.
Different. I can't, I go for by yards, the road, I want to take on. I want to take on the road idea. So, yeah, I pray. So that's why I'm not even asking that. You have to follow that road. You're 10 yards and depressed over.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
man. Just
active up yourself, man.
Yard, man. Me there, man.
Active up your blouse and skirt self, man. Sure. Road that. How goes this? So, man, disappear so fast.
Yes, Father God, one more day upon the earth. Planet earth. What am I there? What go on? Me say back in town, man. You are there.
Yeah, man, easy. You don't know, say. Yeah, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me good, man.
So,
Anyways,
so,
and really that, me come check your boat still, you know.
What that?
So, hot, man. What me I say? Yeah, what you and Kiki, you know?
What do you mean by that?
What me mean by that? You don't know what I mean?
What do you mean, Kiki? What you talking about?
Yeah, but what me talk about? You don't know what me talk about?
Brother, chicken myself, brother. Chicken.
Let me ask you one question. How are you chat?
What do you mean, say what me talk?
Then who me come here say chat? You load up your mouth like you want the whole place know.
No, I saw.
Ask you one question.
From me born and
You
grow.
want Kiki in that me want know still and still. Cause me go a turn and forward and me hear big things about this Rasta we sell pork, you know. And then me, yes, man.
Brother, no bother with the foolishness. So what Kiki tell say get pork. Man, I laugh to this, man. Wait me, wait the power. Wait power.
Really that me come check.
Jesus Christ.
Why me laugh?
Brother, me a friend, brother. Listen me I say.
No, friend.
There's no brother, me know say I love Kiki, no brother.
Them say me a friend.
No, listen, me know, you me know.
Friend, you know, do this.
Do which kind of thing? I jealousy, brother. Me been here before, you know. Listen me I say, man, me been here before.
Let me make you know this one thing clear.
Yeah, what?
You see any day name day. This I see you.
Brother, you're not gonna see it. I mean, I try to show you. But I will never do that, brother. I'm not like that. Me not stay, say, brother. How you feel, say, me not do that to you, brother? Me know a long time, you know. We grew up in the same area, Lucy Town, brother. Sandy Bay, Mount Pelier. What you talking about, brother? Right on the back there, so we spot one girl named sitting there. Yo, brother, a family we deal with, friends.
No, me and the friend.
I sell the chicken, brother, and for your brother keep on the forward, then I come talk about me use pork island and something there. And I come style iron and rasta. But me a talk
pork isle. Me a chat about Kiki. Where you and Kiki, you know?
Me and Kiki is just
don't argue.
She's my customer.
Don't argument.
Yo, hear me I say, man.
Don't argument.
No argument, I did, brother.
Last time I said Donny.
Yo,
no one and nothing more.
Brother, my business, hey, you see if you talk certain way, brother, my business go good on, you know, and that me know my business good on, you know. Yo, for me, I bring my business from the brother, that me I tell you in the Rasta.
Rasta, big up yourself.
Alright, big up.
Big up yourself.
So everything good?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, the man now, I'm crashing business now, start. Well, come in, you go feel that me sell pork for show. Eh? What kind of pork crash business me I talk about, brother? Yo, I'm just going here, sir.
Well, sorry for making you out of song with you one day. My card. Let me go for pick up the card now. The card, so you know. Me go sit back up in a.
You know, so sometimes, listen. Sometimes I wonder what the up your head. Let me tell you something, I like people style me, you know.
At time,
You can't say me a woman, and you have me as a stand up and wait for you, and no say, you're not carrying no card for you.
Oh, me if you know, say me not have a card.
You see, I same thing me I talk about. Man must act like man, you not act like a man. You don't act like a one child now. What do you mean by how you know you're not supposed to be? Then listen to me. If you know you're not carrying no money, if you go in the supermarket, where you go carry no card? So you know if you ensure so the card in your pocket.
The card.
Or in your wallet.
The card I using on my phone, but what you want me go change the case. It's like this because I take out say in the old case.
Listen to me, don't listen to me. Lower your voice. So when you talk to me, lower your voice.
Wait, you put back
a man like a uno.
Me I say if you put back in.
Me say a man like a uno make woman go straight. You know then straight down there. A man like a uno make woman go.
Say this, not say this.
Man. Come ask boy me put back things. Me must pack things them. Dirty workless man. You left all the way for your yard and left the card at your yard. You know say you workless. Everybody no look. See the man here was supposed to carry the card. Come and you not carry card. Come and workless like a walk. Drunk crow. I soon left your nastiness.
Remember say me thing now all over the can I load up the thing so.
Hello? Are they waiting to look for you from me now? Turn back around. Rubbish. Nonsense. Let me tell you something now. Me know you play with me then we don't play with me don't tall.
Yeah, Musa.
Listen to me, if you come and go smoke, because you just be a chatting to them.
Remember say me even get a card now. The card man. Remember say watch out. We normally spend I would talk all anyways. We normally spend 30,000 or something, but you know 24 upon the card, you know.
No, sir. No, man. So, hold on. We have to me say, the broke down now. Come like some shit in a church. I feel like what is for me. How about this, sir? Which woman here say I go in a supermarket go spend now 24,000? Let me tell you something. You say for 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Me not going in no supermarket go spend now 24,000. What you tell me thing for?
Embarrass me.
Me no name mackerel. Me no name sardine. Me no name them the thing them the look foolishness there.
No one say thing. You must say
I be a axe tail and cow foot and them say I'm going to buy grape and apple and this. Listen to me. At 30 we say we are going to spend. So you see the 6,000 there. You see when me come out of the supermarket, just make sure so when you reach at my yard, you reach, you come out back out of the house and get back the 6,000.
Me will get the 6,000 and come back. You alright with that? I said that.
So you want to go take his 6,000? Oh, hold on there. Don't say nothing. So you draw 6,000 and left $24,000 on the card. If you go give your woman.
This a boy, you have to say that. You're only woman. Don't do that. You know something, I do that.
If you ever pop down truck, rubbish.
Babe, go on. Babe. Me left my wallet. You go back for my wallet. Here. I make you go this in a supermarket. I'm mad.
How are you?
I don't think I don't, my dear. Just sit down, my dear.
So you look so.
Oh. I want to you now.
Why?
And where you come with now?
Where me I come with?
Yeah.
You know, so I sit down near to jerky shop there, so I'm gonna buy a piece of chicken from him.
I'm gonna get his company.
No.
Or yes,
I'm not here for big people anymore. Excuse me?
Continue.
Anyway, get me to eat my chicken in a peaceful, you know. Guess who me see come? Na Balby. Come to me. And I say, when he did I go, yeah, him did not want beef. So when time he did I go, and only never the on good terms. So he go and then he phone mash up and when I'm boss call him, you know, then look at something there.
Beef, I just want a little argument me about Bobby having. Just a little argument. He asked me something and me answer him in one way. And him begs. Are that him call beef?
Well, that a phone business, my real no business with the relationships, you know, but then again, they tell him say I have a miscarriage.
What you mean if me tell him say I have miscarriage?
Me ask if I did tell him.
How you gonna do? Tell him say me have miscarriage?
What you mean if me go tell him?
Wait, I tell Bobby say me have miscarriage?
That's not my place to tell him.
So why you ask me that if me did tell him?
Because I want to know if I tell him. Suppose I want to fix back the relationship.
There's nothing to fix back. What is there to fix back? You can't fix back broken glass? Eh? Can you fix back a broken glass?
No.
You need to tell your friend Bobby say it is over. Done. Finish.
Hey. Me and Bulby are never friend in the first place, you know.
So comes down
So as a matter of fact, me not go to nobody if you tell them. Me and no news carrier for nobody. So guess what? You want Bulby fixing or if you know I get back together, that's none of my business. I mean no say me come to you, me say when me have to say and me done chat. Tell Bobby say do not when he see me sit down and eat or when he see me wherever, you know if he come to me and tell me nothing about you and you, me don't hear nothing about Bulby. And by the way, when you want to look a jerky, dirty foot rasta boy in her.
Oh, so that's your problem. What you want?
How comes that are my problem?
What you want, Wafa?
I want to know.
Why? You want him?
So, what?
You want
What?
him?
Me don't want that the rasta man there.
So why you ask me?
Because people come to me and I tell me about you and him. And me and your sister, you not say nothing to me.
People.
Yes.
Any man just start ask, how come people come to already?
But it's thing pan road say to on the day. You hear?
It's thing pan road. Me and Jerky not even there yet. He asked me to go out with him in a day yet.
Well, Jerky have your chat say you're a woman. And so you're a woman. And I'm not even going to tell her what go on pan the road because obviously
you sure lie tell?
Lie me I tell?
Cause it seems to me like you want him. Cause why you got here like that?
What?
Are we at the dress for impress?
No, look at dirty foot girl. Me a hot girl, you know. Don't play with me. Don't bright yourself with me. You're very out order. If me did want a man, me can go there go get any man more.
So
man always in a me
jerky. And that's why you going shop go buy chicken?
Girl, me always a buy from jerky at first. Me a buy from jerky.
I have one German out there, you can't buy for this German.
Also, a jealousy. A jealousness are going right now. Any man you talk to me would talk to them.
Let me ask you one
me
question.
Is not that type of sister.
Did you tell Bobby that I have a miscarriage?
Yes, me tell him. You should
Yawa.
Me ain't supposed to know.
Supposed to know for a bandy? Yeah, make it look like say, what you want to try to fix me back?
Girl, me not fix back nobody relationship.
You telling him that I don't feel like say him can come and fix things. There's nothing to fix.
No. Me telling him that as a matter of fact. You should have be one to tell him. Even if we not get together, you should have be one to sit him down and say, guess what, me have a miscarriage for you and the feelings that me did have for you, it gone. So guess what? It can't go work out.
When the time is right, we'll tell him. But anyways, forget about that. Your friend Pinky said to tell us, say, she not drop off no application for you because you don't have no manners and because of your behavior. So
I don't care.
Drop off nothing for you and you know if you come back our yard.
That not nothing to do with me. You look like me care.
And how you love people business you too know. Where you going to for?
Me good if you drop off application and me and my room and me and she go tell me say, you're supposed to tap drink. Making gonna hey, hey. You can't, me no want nobody tell me how to live my life because I not tell nobody how to live my life. Like, live their life, you hear? As a matter of fact, bye, me no more talking.
You love people.
My business.
You're not here. You love people business too much.
Wake up, man. Hello. Oh. Yo, somebody better dead, you know, because I not even know where I call me for, you know. I get a little nap. What? Nah, man. Where's my brother down there cause problem? What? Wow. Tell the man see how road we are going, the man really gonna. Yo, here we are going. Me I go check him, man. Nah, man, I joke him man around, man. Me I check him. Yeah. Man, if you soon don't do it, she had all over the side. You know what to do? See what go on. See, you know, that man punk in here big.
How I go on? How you hear?
What mean by how I go on? That's how we grow.
How?
You go on and say, go and bad up, man.
Who am I going bad up? Who am I going bad up?
You go on. Oh, yeah, we don't say you're a tough boy, then. And that's why, when you left the place, you know, not even one man in the place now approach Kiki. What Rasta, brave? He brave, double.
Bro, you just come here so with a joke thing right now, and that joke thing with the on right now.
Right now, I'm never proud that I am if you cuss out your blouse and skirt. Like that, me I say. Because me I say, bro, yo, you man afraid. You afraid now call that for me G them. And for me G link me I say, yo, rate it. And me I say, I read that brother I go on with.
That's that really make a call.
Hey man, I talk about how much me I talk, I spread in the road about him, a pork rasta.
They no pork rasta. But you know,
I say, bro.
A long time in real life still a rasta, me tell a rasta to lift up off my block still now. Cause before me even left,
Rasta is cool. Remember I say, I will buy free chicken on them brother.
No, you're mad. Never used to name in chicken. Never used to name in chicken. Anytime I send mama to buy chicken, I feed my new sister. I don't name chicken. I don't name Rasta chicken. Yeah, man. Me cook everything no one. I don't name Rasta chicken. Yeah, man. And you Rasta go pies.
Hard style,
no,
man.
But then no
Rasta know say me mad. Rasta not.
Rasta know say you're mad. Rasta know say you're mad.
You know say different do cut out that. So me here say I good enough go body him up.
Don't where me go, don't where.
Me say good enough man shop go body him up.
Shop. Me good enough Rasta shop go body him up. Yeah, hear things man. Me not go nowhere near Rasta shop. Call Rasta and come tell him to come here so and then ask him if I come down in shop. I don't know where you can tell me say me go a Rasta shop. Go do what?
Brother. Right now, I'm not even one day saying. Cause you that you can't tell us certain things.
No man, not tell me man, you hold fear. Anything you have you hold it. Cause you notice you ever forward to me and tell me about foolishness about Rasta. Me don't have time for Rasta right now.
Because I don't lick up your chip.
Listen, lick up food chip. You hear that boy?
Alright.
Lick up food chip. Right now, we not talk about lick up chip. You hear that boy? Them boy lick up chip. Oi, we not talk about lick up chip. You think you see lick up chip yet?
Brother.
You need DMI chip lick for you, not even Rasta whole.
You agree with me say we are going road in the night, you know?
You never make no plans, man. You never make no plans. You and yourself make plans to go a road in the night.
You don't tell mama say me and you park.
Me and you later. Me and you park.
Look here, oi.
What you know?
Me tell, listen to me.
What you say?
Me don't tell her say. Me go link my brother. My brother go road. Watch out. You know say I'm road me. No man can program.
Big up yourself.
You know say anything me say goes.
Big up yourself, your mums. Cause you know, you run your yard, you know.
You know.
You see you, me not nobody for run for me yard. Yeah, so me
brother,
let's go on the road if you go on. Cause you tell me say you have two browning where you see, no go on go link browning.
One of them a fear.
No, me not tell you say me want. Me alright.
One of them a fear, one a fear me. Cause I remember saying if mama even pull up on the spot, I fear two of them. Listen to shh. Listen what I go.
I say set me up in a style.
I set you up.
I say, yeah, set
you know,
me
we're not about bother going.
Yeah, man, me ain't plan to go with you.
We don't bother going.
Yeah, set me up. I'm not the set up business.
My brother, I move like say, one girl got in heart. One girl, just single one. One. Or two. Cause you want a tone. Two girl. You don't want a tone still link, sure. You don't even have a link. You see your blood, yeah, boy.
You want the girl at all?
No, man, I don't want to.
You want Kiki?
Me no. Yeah, the
Let me
man.
ask you one question. You want Kiki?
So me coulda there.
So where pull Rasta and every girl wearing
Yeah, what I need, man. Yeah, what I need,
Go on, man. Go on. You ever come
Me
say
want to
something?
make sure say I run that the girl the brain, brother. I use the control. Yeah, I want to you, man. You feel doing it, bro? You see all that second vibes that me bring to you? Load that alone. Cause it look like so that you not tell me certain things, you know. But me still here. You don't have to tell me. You don't have to tell me. Yo, you see Rasta. We have to know it's a Rasta is just Rasta. We have to just low Rasta. Just low Rasta, you know.
Rasta, low
you don't have to
Rasta.
page him, bro. Cause I remember see you done so nothing now lick up your brain. Girl thing good and all that.
You good? How you and your mama yeah?
Active.
Alright, big up yourself.
I'm a tear.
Yeah, man, so let me tell you, so everything I have to plan and organize, guys. So just the first stage, you know. You understand? It's the first stage, so everything I will go there.
You sure?
What do you mean? You can't trust me. Guys, words are nothing, you know, so I just action I have to work with.
Well, it's been a while since I enjoy myself like this. Like, really have a conversation.
That, man. No problem.
No, the lie still have to take it slow down.
Yeah, man, let me tell you, say, that me about, because I don't want you rushing either. You know, all the things, you know. Man, you be my one and only. And I don't just know not today, have you ever? Cause me, no, man, listen, nobody even say it. You understand me? I say, because, as I say, I go through a lot and I don't want you to tell nobody. Keep it between me and you. Social media, left it over there, so. You understand me? I say,
in the street already.
in the street, make it stay in the street. Them a wonder if them a this, them a that. But you know what I mean? Just make it stay there, so don't tell nobody.
In the street, I'm here,
Yeah. Them can't say what them a say. But as me I say, you just keep it between me and you. And then the relationship working. And if you feel like the social media can make a relationship bloom more, it's not gonna work. And that I always a problem. See? Me have some chicken figure chop up and thing for later. So you talk here?
Thank you.
Man, I say we take it slow. I like how you give me a go. Hey, hug good, everything good, you know what I mean? Later, yeah, mama?
Enjoy your day.
Alright.
Yeah, so you're there.
How?
What me here say go on?
How this announced star?
Rasta, you know I move right, you know Rasta.
You mean say me not move right?
You know I move right.
Yo, you talk.
What I mean by
Brother, ease up the man. Yo, I want you.
Rasta.
Brother, you see?
You see you can't get any girl in that place but the one there.
Yo.
What you want Kiki now?
Make you swear to God, brother.
I'll see you later, Rasta.
Yo.
Rasta man I go out with beer crap.
Yo, brother, make you swear to... Alright, yo.
Your man say you have to go lift up for them property.
Alright, man.
Yo, I come for flag out your head top.
Yo, easy man, that's easy man. Me can't swear to God, brother, me a Kiki and nothing dog.
Can't tell me that.
Yo, left. Yeah, link all the boy. Nice. I pray. I will say today. You know say I want to see if you talk to you, because I want to look one pre for sure, you know, but I can't talk to you over the phone certain way, you know? In real life. So, just check me, I'm on the road. Yeah, check me. Alright.
I pre my dog.
There, man.
You active.
Yeah, man.
When you fall down on the hip on the flat, brother. So I said,
See,
find a
man.
bush place where you live. So I pre now.
There, man. You know, say.
Wow.
Yeah, me there say me I come give you a link. The long time I not see you and what day me forward me here be a things too. And say me have to come make sure say yo.
So make
come
you call
you.
link me brother.
Then
Me
link me
come
say me
here
I
and
call
so.
link you dog.
You say them have to walk on here and
But
so.
watch you know. You know say. You know if you know him still man.
Come
But
and
watch
sit
you know.
there, buddy. What the
You
fuck,
know
brother?
say. Feel me girl Kiki.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, say feel your uncle and Kiki, you know, in a one little bag of tanglangs and thing. And I know say you might have a clue about it, you know.
Clue about what?
Yeah man, you know me a chat
Clue about
about man. You know me a chat about.
No about what?
So
See I'm blind here and left, man.
see I'm blind here and
Uncle
deaf.
Bizarre calls about.
See I'm blind here and deaf. So I say really I
Yeah,
do
shame,
you
you
say.
know.
Me not no shame.
I'm Uncle Bizarre calls about. She just better me tell me, brother. Look at me, I'm born on myself. Tell and come up as my friend.
So you really a defend the port jeb.
Which pork jet?
You see I'm uncle where you are
She
defend.
can't afford the man thing you can do.
Yeah, idiot boy.
The man
Yeah,
don't need
idiot
you.
boy. Yeah,
I be
idiot
making me
boy.
go time
Yeah,
and judge
idiot
for
boy.
them. Me boy, you know.
Oi,
Right
you
now,
can't hear
right
nothing
now.
about
Oh,
me.
you don't know you see a picture
Don't
put
touch
up.
me neither.
Don't
You
trust.
can't
Man, move for
you
man.
can't style
You
me.
ugly lad.
Oi, remember say no. Remember say me not there for long now, you know. What day me forward back and you come tell me and beg your uncle, you idiot boy. You idiot.
How much your quarter pork? You don't even know.
I don't know what your uncle said for. Because I don't buy from him. Your uncle nasty.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Me did strong, but nobody never see me pain. Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care, no. Too late for fear, no. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Every day me fight for survive. No smile on face, me dying inside. Pressure build and me start slip. My mind get dark. Me did a call, but nobody here. Me did a fall, but nobody care. Now when me gone, them shedding tears, but me alone face all me fears. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care now. Too late for hear now. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Cold nights, lonely street, nowhere to go. Empty belly, but me still hold strong. Voices in my head, reality fade. People pass and them laugh and stare. Call me mad, them never care. If one hand just reach out for me, maybe my life would have different. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost, now me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down.